Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Fazan Sajid and my topic is what is society? Sociologist. A society is a group of people with common territory, interaction, and culture. Social group consists of two or more people who interact and identify with one another. Geographic distance and language barriers can separate societies within a country. Society derived by Latin word "socius". It means companionship or friendship. In society, the terms in sociology, the term society refers not a group of people but to the complex patterns of the norms of interaction that arise among them. McLevers has said that society is a web of social relationship. Sociology constructs patterns of behavior by deeming certain action or speech as acceptable of or unacceptable. These patterns of behavior within a given society are known as social norms. Societies and their norms under gradual and perpetual changes. Society insofar as it is collaborative, a society can enable its members to benefit in ways that would otherwise be difficult on an individual basis. Both individual and social benefits can thus be distinguished or in many cases found to overlap. A society can also consist of like-minded people governed by their own norms and values within a dominant larger society. This is sometimes referred to as a subculture, a term used extensively within criminology. Pakistani society. It is a male-dominated society in which social development has lagged considerable behind economic changes, as revealed by such critical indicators as sanitation, access to health care, and literacy, especially among female. Now, there are 6 types of societies. Number 1, hunting and gathering society, pastoral societies, horticulture societies, agriculture societies, industrial societies, post-industrial societies. Hunting and gathering societies. In earliest form of societies, the members survive primarily by hunting, trapping, fishing, and gathering edible plants. The majority of the members' time is spent looking for and gathering food. Pastoral societies began around 12,000 years ago. The societies rely on products obtained through the domestication and breeding of animals for transportation and food. Pastoral societies are common in areas where crops cannot be supported, for example, in North Africa. Unlike hunting and gathering society, pastoral societies only have to move when the land in which the animals graze is no longer usable, is no longer usable. Pastoral societies also allow for job specialization since not everyone is needed to gather or hunt for food. For example, while some people breed animals, others are able to produce tools or clothing, which allow for specialization in these areas. Horticulture societies emerged between 10,000 and 12,000 years ago in Latin Africa, Asia, and parts of the Middle East. These societies rely on the cultivation of fruit, vegetable, and plants in order to survive. Horticulture societies are often forced to relocate when the resources of the land are depleted or when the water supplies decrease. Agriculture society is any community whose economy is based on producing and maintaining crops and farmland. Another way to define an society is by seeing how much of a nation's total production is in agriculture. Industrial society, a society driven by the use of technology to enable mass production, supporting a large population with a high capacity for division of labor. Such a structure developed in the Western world in the period of time following the Industrial Revolution and replaced the agrarian societies of the pre-modern, pre-industrial age. Industrial societies are generally mass societies and may be accessed by an information society. They are often contrasted with traditional society. Now the last is post-industrial society. It is something like industrial society. So, is the stage of society development when the service sector generates more wealth than the manufacturing sector of the economy. Thanks for watching the video.